Welcome, friends of international cuisine. Today we present you a delicious basmati rice with vegetable caponata, a perfect encounter between the delicateness of the rice and the intense Mediterranean flavor of the Sicilian caponata. Here are the ingredients for our dish: 200 grams of basmati rice, 1 large eggplant, 2 stalks of celery, 1 onion, 2 ripe tomatoes, 1 red bell pepper, 1 yellow bell pepper, 50 grams of salted capers. You will also need 50 grams of pitted green olives, a handful of pine nuts, 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, a teaspoon of sugar, extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper, and fresh basil for garnish. Start by preparing the rice according to the instructions on the package. Remember to rinse the rice in cold water before cooking it with a water-to-rice ratio of 1:2. For the caponata, wash and cut the eggplant into cubes and place them in salt for about 20 minutes to remove bitterness. Clean the celery and boil it for 5 minutes in salted water, then drain and chop it into pieces. Clean and chop the peppers into cubes and the tomatoes into strips after scalding and peeling them. Heat the oil in the pan and sauté the chopped onion until it is transparent. Add the eggplant and let it brown. Add the peppers, tomatoes, and celery and let them stew for about 10 minutes. Add the desalted capers, olives, and pine nuts and continue cooking for another 5 minutes. Pour in white wine vinegar and sugar. Season with salt and pepper and cook until the caponata has a glossy look and the sauce has thickened. Let the caponata rest before serving it, then serve the basmati rice on plates accompanied by the vegetable caponata. Did you know that the vegetable caponata is a dish rich in history that reflects the various cultures that have influenced Sicily? It is traditionally summer but varies in every part of the island. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our recipes and to stay always updated. Also, visit our website for more culinary delights.